Chanchal Bhardwaj. I am from a small village named Khori, Shahpura, Jaipur, Rajasthan. My father's name is Mr. Chanchal Bhardwaj. I am pursuing my bachelor's in technology from lovely Professional University, Punjab. I am here to tell about my 100 days of code challenge which I started on 22 of September 2025 on the occasion of Navratri. So guys, here is my work. So guys, during this journey, I followed this Apna College playlist. Here you can see the playlist videos. I daily show a video and post on LinkedIn. Let's go to the LinkedIn. Here you can see I daily post on LinkedIn. I start this journey on 22 of September. There you can see the day 1. So guys, for this playlist, I make a clear and proper playlist in the VS Code. Here is my VS Code. You can see I make a lecture-wise files in the VS Code. Here. Also, I make a proper notes for this. Here you can see. So guys, I start my day with the exercise. I daily do exercise from 7 a.m. to 9 a.m. with reduce my stress and best my mental health. I also solve the LeetCode problems daily. Here you can see my LeetCode profile. I daily solve one problem for strengthen my DSA. Today is my 115th day streak, where you can see I solved 203 problems on LeetCode. So guys, in this 100 days, I not just learn coding, but I learn basic principles. So for help out my friends, I upload all my this zip and upload all my notes in a Google Drive so that my old friends can strong their DSA. I am from full stack domain, so for this I make my portfolio page. Here is my portfolio page. You can see from my portfolio page you can go to my Instagram, my LinkedIn, my GitHub, my mail, my LeetCode profile and my YouTube channel. So guys, you can see my transformation on Instagram. Let's connect on LinkedIn. Do follow me on Instagram. Do subscribe my YouTube channel. There's a very important thing which I am sharing to you, that I learned this consistency from my father, Mr. Chanchal Bhardwaj. आज मैं जो कुछ भी हूँ उनकी वजह से हूँ. And what I experience in my whole life, I am sharing with you that don't depend on others. Just strengthen yourself. And also what I learn in 100 days, कि अगर आपका कोई दोस्त आपको आगे बढ़ने से रोक रहा है, just left that friend. Guys, also I am doing one commitment today, that I only work for India. Also I learned this discipline for RSS. Actually my father is associated with RSS and I am also associated with RSS. So guys, at last I thanks to my father, thanks to my family. Also if my family gives me good life, deserve the best life. Also thanks to Shradha Ma'am for this best content of DSA with CPP on YouTube. And thanks to my friends who helped me out in this my whole journey. Thank you to all for watching the video. Guys, let's connect on LinkedIn. Do follow me on Instagram. Do subscribe my YouTube channel. I start my YouTube channel from today only. Also view my portfolio. Thanks to all guys for watching the video. And thanks to my father. Thank you, Papa.